Good morning, all. Today, I'll explain a groundbreaking discovery from the journal Science, a natural switch in the rice that can be activated to protect our food supply from climate driven heat waves, the abiotic stress. Now, the problem is very urgent, and the climate change is causing more frequent intensive heat waves, and the increase in temperature is causing a decline in the yield by 20%. The rice is an important cereal crop which is feeding billions of people, and this isn't just an economical issue, it is a global threat for food security. Now, if we see that in this graph, every increase in temperature for 1 degree Celsius, there is a decrease in loss for 20%. And there's a solution provided by the nature itself and the scientist has been screened 200 rice varieties and has found a stark contrast. The African rice variety, which is highly resilient to heat, while the Asian variety, which is common, is highly sensitive. Through genetic mapping, they have pinpointed the exact reason, a single region on the genome, which they named as thermotolerance 3 locus or TT3. And there's a TT31, which is a E3 ligase, and the TT32, the chloroplast. These are the two genes of opposing functions. And this is the structural one of the TT31, a protector, and TT32, it's not a protector one, it's a causing damage for the chloroplast. Now, this elegant molecular battle unfolds how the TT31 and TT32 functions. They both are coexist in the normal conditions. Under the heat stress, TT31 that will be coming from the plasma membrane to the intercellular components called endosomes, and they remove the TT32 by covering with the protein ubiquitin, and it is being TT32 is being sent to the recycling center. And this is not an theoretical one. Here it shows the TT31 and TT32, how it accumulates and how they are being removed in the electronic microscope. And if you see that these are being made also under field trials, the normal rice variety is declining in yield by 20%, but the new modified rice is increasing 20% of yield. So the farmer can get a net yield increase in the same plant yield plot by 40%. So there's a win-win for the farmers. And this is a game changer because it integrates the small breeding and precision genetic editing, and the TT3 genes are present in many cereals, and so the farmers can be reducing the chemical input and increasing the yield. And the conclusion is that this research uncovers the powerful genetic module where the TT31 safeguards the productivity by removing harmful TT32. So the yield is increased by 20% under heat stress, and this can helpful for the ensuring food security. Thank you.